Welcome to my bike check. This is my first bike check, like my 5th bike, but I think this is the final one. First of all, I got the Unknown V2 26 Pacific raw frame set. I mean the frame, it's a small. I got my Charge scissor fork over here.
Charge!
Dirty though. Got my Shadow Conspiracy small little pegs in white, front and back. Got Redline 170mm cranks. These shits are strong. I got Specialized clear plastic pedals and best straps. Why not? Why not fucking have these? Front tires, I got 2.0 hemispheres to this motherfucking crappy ass rim that I need to switch up for a fucking MTX. In the rear, I got the MTX 33 with a 2.0 hemisphere tire with the 14mm Unknown hub.
Unknown.
And then I got this fucking Primo hub guard for my hub so it doesn't get fucked up. 14mm Unknown shit, it's hella big. I got a FMF 40 teeth crank with a KMC cheap ass chain. I got a 14 tooth cog in the back. Small, kind of hard to pedal on. Got an Aerial Cycle sticker. Thank you Kenji for the frame and everything. I got a fucking, I don't know what kind of stem this is, but it's a BMX stem. Got FSA impact headset. Odyssey grips, they're comfortable. I got Destroy bars. These shits are sick and raw. I got whatever the fuck these shits are, the caps. My bars are like 24 inches long. And I got fuck, what is this shit? DC. That's fuck, shit. It's a fucking seat. It's not pivotal. And that's my bike check.